All right, we are here. We're gonna get started right now. Let's go ahead and do this. Put it up right there. There we go. Park this up. We'll sip the coffee. Terrible coffee. I don't know why I always get that coffee. It's terrible. Alright, let's take this over here. Ow.
Powering on. Welcome to Alltech Lansing.
Fine. Mix with water poured already back in. So. Some water in there. More choke on there. Alright, let's let this pressure out. Already ran out of gas. That's funny. Forgot to refill on gas. Wait, how much gas do we even have? This might not be enough gas. Alright, let's check it out. Let's see. With some gas. What are we in? Chemical. And let it do the work for us. I should probably be wearing gloves and a mask. I'll probably go get that right now. Some gloves on. The rest of this chemical. The surface. Perfect. What we're doing right now, just spray down the plants and the soil, just so that. See how this looks. Oh wow. Oh yeah. Let's relocate this guy. Come here. I'm relocating you. Oh, he's climbing up on me. Sorry, buddy. Oh. Alright guys, we're all done with this. As you can see, it's still drying, but you can see, you know, all of the organic, it's still drying, but all the organic growth is gone. There is still some efflorescence, some calcium deposits. Not really anything I could do about that unless I have a very expensive chemical, which, you know, it's not going to be included in this job. And so we're coming back on tomorrow to do her gutters. So we upsolder on the gutters. And yeah guys, I'm gonna see you in the next one. Peace.